stunningly presented villa. This property will meet all your aspirations, and it could be the best decision you have ever made. The villa is single-level style with 3 bedrooms, and it features dedicated parking for 2 vehicles. The kitchen has crisp white cabinets and quality fittings. This home welcomes with its warm timber flooring and is ready to be lived in. This address comes with high-quality fittings and fixtures, as well as being newly painted and fresh. Add to that split-system air conditioning. Looking for a fully renovated home? Grab the chance for low-maintenance living. No time like the present. Ring the agent now.